can see various other organizations as well as the community participating in this. That's the best part of this.
I think we're using the knowledge of people through ULI and other things that we do to get people to really use the ideas that we've had. Because there's a lot of them, and we like to see the people out here really getting things together.
So happy that after 18 months, Link, BOA, ULI, all working together and transform this place into a colourful cloud oasis within one morning.
In terms of the process, in terms of the people involved, in terms of the type of people involved, that's really replicable, and that's we're very, very keen in exploring other opportunities where something which used to be a little bit unloved, underutilized, underused, is actually becoming something which is part of people's life in that neighborhood. So that's very, very important.
Art, would be the platform for us to engage more people. I know a lot of kids really love drawing. The community feels they are part of it and they enjoy coming here often.
Quite a good activity for us to join. It was a great opportunity, helping the community to plant plants and paint a while, make it more interesting, and use this space for the children to let them play and enjoy themselves.